Here in Hall 8A, you can find the company Agfa, and it has a wonderful stand. Thank you for your time today.
Sure.
Wonderful stand and wonderful things you're presenting here at the drupa. What are the highlights?
Well, the main highlights are that we have focused on the offset printing, which we will discuss later, and also inkjet printing or silent display. And one of the highlights definitely is that our Annapurna line is now equipped with a UV LED drying, or I should say curing. This is what we have here behind.
So what exactly does it mean, LED and UV technology?
The advantage of LEDs over the mercury lamps is that it's new technology. They are much lighter and they use far less energy. They, opposed to mercury lamps that use 8 kilowatts an hour, they use 2 kilowatts an hour. But on top of that, they consume or they give less temperature, so we can use or more variation of substrate that are temperature sensitive. On top of that, the LEDs last for the whole lifetime of the machine, which avoids replacing the lamps, putting them away and considering as waste.
You were just talking about LED and UV, but you also said you have two highlights here at the drupa, and you're talking about offset.
The offset plate business for Agfa is very important, and we are known for the Azura plates, for the chem-free Azura plates. But here at the drupa, we also introduced a new conventional plate and plate processing. This is the Energy LED Eco plate with the Arcana processor. And the Arcana processor uses no water, or uses only 30 milliliters of chemistry to develop 4 sets of plates, 4 plates, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And it's very economical and allows with a bath life of 15,000 square meters. Now that's what users really like, that also their conventional systems are going down in maintenance, are going down in cost, and are better for the environment.
What would you say are other important topics that you were talking about at Agfa for the future of the technology?
Well, there's 3 new sectors or 3 new markets where we're looking at for the future. That is publishing on iPads, which is part of the printing industry, but they need also publications like magazine and newspapers on the iPads and the social media. The second thing is industrial printing, which actually is the opposite, where other industries like the shoe industry or the bottling industry are going to use printing technologies to print their products. A third industry that we think is very big and bigger than the package printing industry is the packaging industry itself, where we offer new technologies like conducting inks that can be jetted by inkjet, and also software that is allowing to trace products and see whether they're fake or right.
There are lots of customers here at the drupa coming to visit you at your stand. Why is it so important to be here at the drupa and be able to talk to customers from all over the world?
Well, it's important to be here because this is the meeting place of the graphic arts industry. It is also the place to measure yourself, and that counts as well for the visitors as for ourselves, to measure yourself against the competition, but also against what is the technology drive that is in this market. So it's not only an image thing, it is just the place to be, and where customers as well as ourselves can exchange ideas and exchange technologies for the future.
Thank you so much for your time today, and I wish you a good time here in Düsseldorf and lots of business success.
Okay, it's a pleasure. Thank you.